Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete an activity in Pipedrive so you can keep your tasks organized in your pipeline up to date. Let's get started. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar in your Pipedrive workspace and click on Activities. This is your main hub for managing tasks like calls, meetings, emails, and follow-ups. Once you open it, you'll see a clear list of all your activities in one place. In this list, each row represents a task, and the columns give you useful details like the activity type, due date, and related contact or deal. The key column we're focusing on today is the first one labeled Done. Think of this as your completion button. Now, whenever you finish an activity, whether it's a call, meeting, or follow-up, simply find that activity in the list and click the checkbox or marker in the Done column. That single click will instantly mark the activity as completed. You'll see the update happen right away, helping you keep your list clean and focused only on what still needs attention. This small habit makes a big difference in keeping your workflow organized and your reporting accurate. As you go through your list, just make sure you're selecting the correct activity, especially if multiple tasks look similar. You can quickly scan by subject or due date to find the right one. And that's it. You've successfully completed an activity in Pipedrive. Quick recap. Go to Activities, find the task you completed, and click the Done column to mark it as finished. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.